Hi there and welcome to the first devlog of my currently unnamed game. In the last video I uploaded, I showed all of you a small sneak peek on the current game state. However, today I'm going to take you back in time to where it all started. So then, procedural generation. Wait, wouldn't it be better to first explain the game's concept? I guess you have a point. Okay, so then, to summarize the game's idea in like one sentence, I would say that it's a mixture between Forager and the Minecraft mod Ars Magica 2. For those of you who don't know what Forager is, it's basically this small and cute indie game where you collect resources and then craft items from that. It might sound quite boring at first, which is also what I thought before playing it for the first time. And yeah, I looked at the time and I saw that somehow 3 hours had passed by. I think it mostly boils down to the satisfying collection of resources and the fun vibe of the game, which I will try to copy into my game. Now then, coming to the real MVP of the game, Ars Magica. For those of you who don't know what it is, it's basically a magic mod. However, I think that this mod alone is probably better than a lot of independent magic games. Yeah, it's really that good. The most interesting feature of it being the ability to just craft your own spells. This works by giving you an option for a way for the spell to be delivered, be it using a projectile or applying it on yourself and so on, and then the given effect. This alone makes it really fun to experiment with and make different spell builds, and I will try to make this feature a main focus of my game. Oh, and by the way, this will not be the last time you will hear me talking about Ars Magica during this project. Anyway, coming back to my game, I basically want a cute, top-down survival game with a heavy focus on making your own magic spells. And with this in mind, I think we can continue where we left off. Okay, yeah, so then, procedural generation. From the get-go I knew I wanted a procedural world, as I love having a new world to discover and take the load off me having to do it. Now then, as you can see, the world looks quite different to what the current game looks, which is because I at first intended for the game to take place on multiple islands. Idea which I down the line abandoned as I encountered a lot of problems, such as being too limited for the player. Oh, and by the way, that red square, yeah, that's Bob, our player until the next episode. And soon after implementing the basic terrain generation, I took the only logical next step, it being to create my own little effects library. And I mean, look at that tree destruction, it's quite juicy already. And the way it works is also quite simple. At first, it basically just changes the material for the object I look at with my very cool targeting crosshair thing. This new material then basically only allows the object to display the color white, and then I just apply a bit of screen shake to it, of which the code I took from the video that should be on screen right now. All of this together then forms a quite nice destruction effect, which already gives this a kind of Forager feel. Oh, and as you can see, I then also changed the art for the actual island and water out for art I made on my own, as I found the other one to not quite fit my wanted style. Now then, I think this is for now where I'll stop this devlog. I hope all of you are as excited as I am for this game, and if you have any ideas on what I should add, feel free to write a comment about it. And with that, have a fantastic rest of your day, and bye bye.